we are doing an unboxing of the sweet new Optoma HD 3300, which you can find exclusively with us at htmarket.com on the internet. This is a really cool brand new projector. We're the only place you can find it on the net. So you can see, here's the box. These are the glasses. So let's get to unboxing here. Okay, here we go. Packaged very well. Got it in here tight. There we go. I'm gonna come in and get a shot. So right here's the power cord.
Okay.
Got the infrared remote.
Let's do the remote. What do you look at? Okay. All right.
As you can see, and this, it looks like this takes 2 AAA batteries, and it comes equipped with 2 right there. As you can see, pretty simple design there. Got it on backwards. Okay.
Not the Automobile Club, right? AAA batteries?
Yeah, not the Automobile Club. The movie watching club.
I wonder where they got the AAA thing.
Okay.
Alright.
So as you can see, it's packaged really nicely. No problems getting it to you in one piece. Okay.
That outer wrapping is really good.
Yeah.
Part, yeah.
It's actually a nice size. Some projectors can be really big and bulky, and especially for it comes pretty nicely. It's got a great protective lens right here. And that fits in there pretty snugly. It's very nice. It's got a manual focus. There's a zoom as well. Let's see. Let's just put this back on here for now.
It's got a protective film.
It's got a protective film, so no scratches. It comes built in with radio frequency 3D emitter. Again, here is the power cord. It just plugs right into the back. Regular 3-prong, as you can see. Let's get this out of the way for a second. So this just plugs directly into the 3-prong back here. Pretty simple. On the back here too, there are 2 HDMI inputs. There's one VGA. You can see the graphic inputs right here. Service USB.
Those are actually component
video, graphic component video inputs. Power button, pretty simple.
Right.
And here's where the trigger can be plugged in. If you have an electric screen, you can use the trigger with that.
Yeah, 12-volt triggers then used to come on projectors under $2,000.
Exactly. And not to mention getting a projector that's under $2,000.
1080p and 3D.
That's 1080p and 3D. Yeah, exactly. And here are some manuals, trigger cable. As you can see, we can take a look at it.
What is that?
This is the 3D emitter trigger.
Okay. I got you.
Okay. We have all. So This is the trigger emitter. So you can set up your glasses with this. It's pretty simple. We'll show you that in a little bit. But as you can see, again, got power cords, regular 3-prong, 110 volt. You've got your 3D emitter set up for the glasses. Great boxing. And then here are the glasses. It's a pretty nice box, actually. Kind of reminiscent of like an iPod box. Glasses. These are ready to go. Again, these are radio frequency. These are rechargeable. As you can see, they're USB rechargeable. There's a switch and a light for the power on the side. So you hold this down and we'll get going. Typically,
There it goes.
just charge it and we'll show you how to set up the radio frequency emitter with the glasses shortly. Okay, so if you want to take a look. All of this, and the glasses, $99.99.
Nice piano black case too.
Absolutely.
No piano included.
There you have it, there's the unboxing. Let's get this stuff in action. We are doing an unboxing of the sweet new Optoma HD 3300, which you can find exclusively with us at htmarket.com on the internet. This is a really cool brand new projector. We're the only place you can find it on the net. As you can see, here's the box. These are the glasses. So let's get to unboxing here. Okay, here we go.